One-click photo edit. Can you see any difference between the one on the left and the one on the right?
The one on the right looks slightly better, but
Yeah.
it's not a big difference.
It's not a big difference, no, but it does look slightly better, and it just took one click. So I like my photos to look as best as they can, so I almost always click on edit and click on dynamic. Let me show you that. And it works same on iPhone as on Android, so let me do the iPhone this time. And I'm talking about Google Photos. Pick a photo. Let's say this one. I thought this was pretty nice. A group of school kids in front of the walled city where we were in Manila. You just tap edit and then dynamic. And it almost always brightens it up, which is usually a good thing. If you don't like it, just unselect it. But dynamic almost always improves, and you might still want to crop and do other things, but why not just tap the one tap dynamic to make it look better? I think you should do that with all of your keepers. Any photos that you put in an album or that you want to share, definitely do it before you share. So here is that exact photo. And if I go into edit and dynamic, it just gets a little more color, a little brightness. Now I probably would crop in to get rid of the person that was in the corner, but I think that looks good. And I definitely think it looks better than the original. How do I know? Touch and hold on the picture and you're looking at the original. Let go and you're looking at how it was edited. So just a suggestion, but it's so easy. Why not make your pictures look as good as they can?